Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we will be doing an airplane unboxing for the very first time. At the moment I'm in the process of building a model airport, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because there will be videos being uploaded in the future about this topic. But without further ado, let's start this unboxing. So this, actually I'm not going to talk about the model until we open it and leave it as a surprise. So first off, very standard looking box. I did purchase this model from eBay and the pricing was pretty good considering what the model was, as I suspect it will become somewhat rare in the future. I'm not saying it will be like 100% rare, but in the future it will definitely find some value to it, as it's a... Oh, actually I'm not going to say anything about it. But let's go back to the model airport. I am at the moment creating a model airport. I'm not sure if I'm going to be making a video on the steps that I took to build it, but I definitely will be doing a review end to end to see what I did and give a overall view and probably give some details on what I did to build this model airport. At the moment, I'm kind of struggling to open this up, so let me just rip apart the plastic that's on top. This is a Gemini Jets model, and the scale is 1:400, and the airport will be in a 1:400 scale, basically, yeah. But as we have just opened the plastic, go ahead, put the knife aside, and open up this model. Inside of the model, inside of the box, we have the traditional brown protective paper, if you say so. And let me see if I can take out the model and keep it hidden before I show you what it is exactly. And here's this very standard box. Put that to the side, put my camera back down, and let's go ahead and open this model. Once again, very traditional. Very traditional Gemini Jets like box. And I guess you guys did see a glimpse of what you should be expecting to be in here. And of course, it's an Emirates Airbus A380 in the 1:400 scale. Of course, Emirates and Gemini Jets, for some reason, Emirates has their very own custom boxes. You guys did get to see a glimpse of what this aircraft is. It's the be part of the Magic Expo livery special. First of all, let's take a look at the box. So the box isn't in the greatest condition. I do like collecting the boxes. I think it's very unique. But for example, like right here, we have some issues, and there's this other place like right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see in the video. Right there, yeah. And then like right here, there's a bit of tornness. On the back, it seems to be okay. Everything else does seem to be okay. So let's just review the box right now. So on this side, I would consider it the left side. We have the Airbus A380. Let me get a pencil or pen out to point these out. So on right here, we got the Airbus A380 in the 1:400 scale. And we have the Gemini Jets logo. Once again, the Airbus A380 800 1:400 scale. Over here, we have the Emirates and the Expo 2020 Dubai logo. Let's see, the camera can focus. On this side, once again, we have the Airbus A380-800, scale 1 to 400, Emirates Expo 2020, and on this side, the same thing. On the front of this, we do have another Airbus A380-800, scale 1 to 400. Over here, we have the Emirates logo, their traditional like ribbon-like logo. On the bottom, we have the Emirates store. I guess it's in partnership with Emirates because you can find Gemini Jet's model on the Emirates.store, but this particular model wasn't available there, so I was forced to purchase it on the Gemini, well, not on Gemini Jets, but on eBay, which technically does come from Gemini Jets. And over here we have expo2020dubai.com, which has passed already. On the back, we do have a lot of details, so let's go through them one by one. So up top, we have the Airbus A380-800. Over here, we have the barcode and the item number. Over here, we have the specifications of the aircraft. We can go through them one by one. The span of 79.8 meters, a length of 72.7 meters, a height of 24.1 meters, a maximum range of 15,000 kilometers, a fuel capacity of 323,546 liters. The engines are Engine Alliance GP7270E. The aircraft can have 491 passenger seats. That is based off like, that could be different for any Airbus model. This particular model has 14 first class seats, 76 business class on the upper deck, and 401 economy class seats on the main deck. And cabin crew have 25 seats and the flight crew have 5 seats. And then over here, it's basically like a detail about what the Expo is in 2020, and somewhat like a propaganda / advertisement. I did go to Dubai myself, and it was a very, very nice place. We just go through the paragraph. Be part of the magic of Expo 2020 with our most colorful model aircraft model yet. Wow, 2 models. Combining the themes and colors of opportunity, mobility, and sustainability, the blue, green, and orange that you can find in most Emirates aircrafts, with the excitement of future beginnings. Fly straight to the heart of Expo at any moment with the Emirates A380 model as part of your collection. You'll get to keep these iconic moments of jetting around the Burj Khalifa with our air hostess on top with you forever. Then over here we have a clip art of the aircraft and some privacy, copyright, legal warning, stuff like that. The Emirates sticker, and right here, Emirates licensed product. So let's go ahead and open this model up. Position my camera. And let's go ahead and open this model up. So this model opens from the side, actually. Of course, the very typical Gemini Jets packaging. Just gotta be careful with it. Put the box aside. So we got the model right here. And the packaging is decent, nothing special or too much. I mean, I don't expect much, but let's just hope that the model is not broken, which is really the biggest component of this. So first off, let's take away the top plastic, as always, and take out the model very gently. It does have some more plastic on the bottom. And there's the model. And then, let's see, is there anything broken about it? So, on the bottom, everything looks normal. You got the front two wheels, you got the back wheels, the main landing gear, if you would say. And then the landing gear here does tilt, as you can see, and as well as these, but this should not tilt yet. And then we got the wings, we got the tail, we got the back. Yeah, so let's go through this model one by one and examine every part of it. So, starting at the front, we have the cockpit windows. If you make a closer view, I'm not sure if the camera can get that. Right here, it says Airbus A380-800. Let me focus out a bit to get a better picture. Over here we have the L1 doors. Here we have the Dubai Expo time frame, which says October to March 2021 to 2022. Over here we have the B part of the Magic with the different Expo colors. I mean, I haven't seen the purple and red one anywhere yet, but I guess, and the yellow one, but I guess that is part of the Dubai colors, Dubai Expo colors. Here we have the two engines on the left side, Dubai and Expo on it. In the interior of the engines, you can find the Emirates logo. And then over here we have the L1 doors, L2 doors, L3 doors, L4 doors, and L5 doors on the main deck. And up top we have the L1 door on the upper deck, L2 and L3 doors. And then the aircraft registration is, let me see if I can zoom in on that. Get a better view. Doesn't really focus. It's Alpha. Let me see if I can get a better view. AG-EEU, or the 6, sorry. Alpha 6 Echo Julio. Then we have the tail here, the massive tail. We have the back side. Then we have the right side, pretty much the same thing, except I would say it has the Dubai Expo, October 2021 to March 2022, and see you there. More of like an advertisement of what it is. But overall, this is definitely a very beautiful model. As I zoom out, it gets more focused. See if we can get the registration in. No, unfortunately, yeah. Alpha 6 Echo Julio. But that is the model, a very beautiful looking model, in fact. And let's talk about the airport for a bit. I will be creating Washington Dulles International Airport. Well, not like how it looks, but like the aircrafts that fly there and stuff like that, pretty much. The reason is because I do live in the Washington Dulles area, and if I do travel, it will be with that airport. And this, as well as the Air France, are the first two models that I have that go to Washington Dulles. Unfortunately, Thai doesn't go there. The reason I have this model is because of the beautiful livery. I do like collecting more special liveries than just normal liveries, as they're always something special. And once, like for example, now that I have this Emirates special livery, I might go and get a normal Emirates aircraft. Right now on the way, I do have another aircraft coming. It's going to be not a wide body, but a domestic flying aircraft. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications to view that video when it comes out. And that video should be coming out in the next couple of days. I'm expecting it to come on the 13th of July. Today is the 7th. Hopefully it comes by then, and I'll be able to upload that video either on that day or the day of. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys all later.